Welcome to Crypto Coins, where we review the best coins for you.
No matter what god you pray to for the success in the crypto market, no coin is going to fit you better than today's coin, which is called religion. But before we get into it, I got to remind you, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before you make any financial decisions. We're really just going to discuss trending topics, and this one sure is trending. It's called religion. And I believe they have every single religion cover. Let's take a look. Actually, I want to show you guys something here really quickly. So I pulled this up. This is a picture. We'll talk about like what it's doing in a second, but this is a community driven, and it's what's kind of amazing about it is that this is perfect for basically everyone. I mean, the market is everyone on the planet. Well, okay, that's not true. There's a couple of people, there's a small plus or minus percentage, but for the most part, you're talking about 95% of the world fits into some religious camp, and these are the most populous. You got Islam, Hinduism, Buddhism, Judaism, Sikhism, Christianity, Confucianism, Taoist, Shinto, Jainism, Baha'i faith, and Zoroastrianism. And I have to tell you, that one, I think I'm pronouncing it correctly, but I've actually have some experience with that one. It's an old Middle Eastern religion, and I'm surprised it's on here, but it is very interesting and exciting. Now, I'm personally a Pastafarian. I don't see that on here, so I do feel a little left out. I am part of that small little 5 to 3% of the world who is not featured here, but nonetheless, this is a big audience, probably the biggest one we've talked about so far. All right, so let's get to religion. Now, this is the deck screener. Now, this one's kind of interesting because it came out earlier in June. I think it was like the 8th of June or something like that. And within, let me see here. I'll give you the exact date. It is, the 13th of June. And you can see, boom, 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 this one hit a spike. Market cap popped off to almost 100,000. And it cooled off very, very quickly. I mean, this was just explosion. And then down it goes. So, yeah, I don't know what's really going on with this. I can't tell if this is going to hit another big pop. Like I said, this is for everyone. This reminds me a lot of the one we did last time, the law of attraction. These community-driven projects, I think from a long term, they are kind of interesting because, again, just like that one, this particular coin is focusing on an idea, an ideology. Religions are hardwired. This is how people guide their life. I mean, these are fundamental beliefs, and if you can kind of encapsulate all of it into a coin, like before, so law of attraction, that is one ideology manifest in a meme coin. This one is all of them put together. Now, it would be interesting to see side by side how they do, long term, because, you got one singular, one including everyone. How does it work long term? Well, we may do a little study, side by side study, but that's going to be for another day. All right, let's pop over to their website really quickly. You can see different paths, one humanity, inspired by the beliefs of over 80% of the world's population. I said 95, I was a little off. Religion is a community-driven movement built to unite billions under one banner. Now, the billions is the key mark. That is true. They do one cool thing here I want to get to, because at the bottom here, I don't know how they do this, but this is kind of my favorite aspect. The world right now, the live faith pulse. This website claims to have their thumb on the pulse of the world. Every heartbeat, the human family grows. Watch civilization unfold in real time. I don't know where they're getting their numbers because I've been watching this for a little bit, and the tracker is very consistent. So it seems to be going up by 1. I don't know how they're counting this. Oh, there it is. So it's plus 2.24 per second. They're getting their numbers somewhere. So we've just passed 6.7 billion believers across all faiths. Now, that does not include atheism. It does not include agnostics. I guess you have to have a deity involved some way, but like I said, Pastafarians not represented. Very upset about that. Christianity is the top of this list here with 2.4 billion, Islam 2 billion, Hinduism 1.2. That I thought would be a little bit higher, but it's kind of it is a little, it's one country basically, which gets a little tricky. And then you go down folk religions. Oh, what is that? Folk religions is declining. Oh, so Hinduism is stable. This is so interesting. Judaism stable. Baha'i faith. I know some Baha'is. The Baha'i faith. I do know a few. 1%. So they even have the percentages here. So this is really all in on religions, and it wants to make you feel a part of the community, and I think it does it really well. I do like the little ticker. Let's do one quick thing here. So here is the social media, and this site tells a trending topic. You got 2.6 thousand followers. So this encapsulates everything. Most projects sell hype. Religion is building a community. All people of all faiths can stand together, support each other, and grow as one. So there's a nice message here, and I think people can really buy into that. So this is just an interesting topic. It's what kind of what I saw was trending. So we'll come back to it and see how it does. Like I said, we'll do a side-by-side comparison with the law of attraction, which is more spiritual than religion. It's a little different. I know. Don't say anything in the comment section about that. But what you can tell me in the comment section is what you think about this religious coin. You let me know below. And of course, like, subscribe, share this video. It's how we grow. So, I'll keep checking the trending topics. So until next time, thank you for watching.